Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the update speed of Kali Linux. So if you just enter apt-get update, the update speed will be very slow. The average time taken to update Kali Linux will be from 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and if it is beyond it, then you have to do some changes in your /etc directory. So firstly what we are doing is we are changing the name servers. So to change the name servers, just go to /cd/etc and /apt, I think /etc, let me give list. So there are many files. So we are going to a config file and it will be starting from R, so resolve.conf, it is over here. So we are just opening this particular directory. So I'm using mousepad as the editor. Sorry guys, I made a mistake, so it is not sources.list, it is resolve.conf. So sorry for that. So I'm just entering mousepad /etc and /resolve.config file. Just remember the file name, it is resolve.conf. And over here I have already entered the name servers. So the name server you want to enter is this particular things. So that is name server 8.8.8.8 and enter this also. That is name server 8.8.4.4. okay, and this name server will be already will be inside your config file. So extra you are adding these two. So by if you add these two, these are Google's name servers, so the update speed will be a little bit faster. So I'm just going to save this. So it is saved. The next thing what we are doing is we are doing some changes in the apt directory. So I'm just entering cd/etc/apt and giving list, and you could see that sources list is here. So I'm just entering mousepad and entering sources.list. So over here you could see there are some lines. So for you it will be there will be a hashtag over here. Just remove this hashtag and that's it. And if there is some hashtag for this one and this one, just uncomment it and just save it. And once it is done, you are ready to update your machine. So just enter apt-get update, you will be updated. So as I said at the beginning, the update time will be taken from 10 minutes to 20 minutes at least. So that's why many will be using Kali Linux live boot. So this is a way to increase the update speed in Kali Linux. So I hope you liked the video and I hope it worked. So if you like this video, make sure give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.